Hi, welcome new video of mine. Finally some positive news in these horrible times. Today, the 22nd of March 2022, Air Canada announced the purchase of 26 A321XLRs. It ordered them because of its efficiency and its range and to be competitive. The aircraft will accommodate 182 passengers with a configuration of 14 lay-flat Air Canada Signature class seats, which is basically their first class, and 168 economy class seats. It will have a range of 8,700 kilometers or a flying time up to 11 hours. They also said that the aircraft will be able to reach any destination in North America pending approval of the Canadian Transportation Agency for overseas operations. This is positive news. I wanted to just pop out this video quickly. I'm working on another video regarding the Antonov A225, where I will be talking about what the media says happened, what the Ukraine says happened, what the Antonov A225 pilot says, and what may have really happened. So stay tuned, this video should be out somewhere this week. See you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and share.